everybody. Time to ball up them crawfish. Time to fire that LoCo up. Get that water in there. Hey, y'all, I like to fill it up about a ½ inch below that max line.
All right, y'all, we're gonna hit it with them little red potatoes.
Now we're gonna hit it with 8 onions and 3 pods of garlic.
All right, y'all, now we're gonna dump in 1 bundle of them celery.
All right, y'all, we're gonna put 6 oranges squeezed in. Woo.
All right, y'all, we cut it in half, a dozen lemons, and get them squeezed up in there.
All right, y'all, now we're gonna hit it with 4.5 pounds of a concentrated seafood ball by LoCo.
Woo. All right, y'all, 1 bottle of that liquid LoCo. Woo! All right, y'all, we got that LoCo at a rolling ball. Time to get LoCo with it, baby.
Time to add them crawfish. Look at that, boy. Oh, that's so pretty. Now we're gonna set that timer on 10 minutes. All right, y'all, it's been 10 minutes. Now it's time to shut that LoCo down. Woo, look at them pretty crawfish right there. Time to add that corn, y'all.
All right, y'all, now we in there with them little brandy bees. Woo!
Don't forget about them mushrooms. Ooh, look at here, son.
You know you can't get LoCo without them green olives.
Oh, man, what are you doing them green
Yes.
olives, boy? Easter Bunny, what are you doing? Dumping them boiled eggs up in there.
Look at them boiled eggs.
Boiled eggs in a crawfish ball. Woo, look at here. Man, look at them crawfish right there. Woo, look at them crawfish. Look how they popping out of that shell right there. Easter Bunny, what are you doing? Easter Bunny, what are you doing? Hey, get out of here. All right, y'all, we got Preacher Man here eating with us today. Guys, check this out. I'm gonna show y'all 3 different ways to eat a crawfish. Step 1, just break it like that. Reach in there, grab that tail meat, push it like that. Pops right out of the shell. Pop that head like that. Run that finger up through, get all that fat off of it. Nothing but goodness. Or you could push that tail in like that. Twist it a little bit. Pull it like that. Pops out of there like that. Leaves that ring right there. Or the old traditional way. Pull it like that. Pull that first ring off of it like that. Pinch it. There it is right there. It just don't get no better than that. And if you're worried about that poo-poo string in it, grab that center flipper in the back like that and just pull it real slow like that. And you pull that poo-poo string out of it if you don't want to eat the poo-poo string. Awesome times here at Southern Boys Outdoors. It just don't get no better than this.